Hello, my name is Victor, and today I'm going to talk about the rest of the utilities in the Model Manager Tools tab of our custom Revit tab made in PyRevit by me. So the first one that we see here under the utilities is called Archive Revit. And this works for workshared files, which is the standard while working with Revit in a team of architects or other consultants. So this thing here is where my central file is. And you can see that it has the normal Revit backup here. If I go here and hit Archive Revit, what this tool is going to do is it's going to create first this new folder, which is called Gamla Centralfiler, which in Swedish means old central files. And inside of that project, inside of that folder, it's going to create another folder with today's date and time. And yes, it is 2 at night on Easter. Anyway, inside of that folder, it is going to create a detached version of the current file. So it's making a snapshot of the current file. It's naming it with the normal name of the file and an appendix with the date and time with hours and minutes. And then it's packing this in a folder with that same timestamp, and it is putting it inside this old central files folder. So if I do this again, Archive Revit, it is going to create another snapshot for us. Let's look at it here. You can see that now it's made this folder with the same date and 1 minute later, and then inside that new folder we have a new snapshot. And this is a really easy way to create snapshots of our central files at its current stage at a certain time. So then we can continue working, and if we mess up something, if we have decided to experiment with something in that file, we can always go back to that snapshot. And compared to the normal way of saving a detached file, this is a lot easier and more organized, and you never think about what you should name this old file and where you should put it. Okay, so that's all of this today. We're going to continue with the other tools in that drop menu.